Well, welcome to another Driving in Macarthur. Today's a very special Driving in Macarthur, unique one. It's a lockdown version with one of our Kia sales representatives, Amy Mungovan. Hey, Amy, how you going?
Hi, I'm great.
So you're unfortunately at home at the moment.
I am.
Down looking after the kids and the family and stuff.
That's exactly it.
So we thought we'd try and do a bit of a different version, and as much as we could keep it normal, we can't. So we're doing it via Zoom. So thanks for being our first Zoom participant in
Exciting.
and so you live somewhere near Camden Valley Inn currently, I'm told.
Yeah, that's exactly it, on the highway.
So you're at home with 3 kids doing homeschooling.
Yes, they're in kindergarten.
Do they like sweets?
Of course they do.
Kids, right? I know their mum likes sweets.
100%. They learn from the best.
Now I'm just going to do something a little bit special. Just hang on a second. I'm going to do a COVID-safe delivery.
Okay.
There may be a knock at your door in a second.
Hey,
I'm leaving that there.
thank
That's
you.
you and the kids.
Oh, thanks. What is it? Ooh.
I'm still running. Everything's still working. Oh, you're on mobile Zoom. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I got the iPad. So I can move it around. Off you go, Charlie. One of my little kids is coming to say hi, Scott.
Hi.
Say hi. Off you go.
That's cute. We're back into it. So did you have a chance to have a look at what was dropped off?
So, I'll open it now.
Yeah.
What have we got in here? Oh, wow! Look at these lovely cupcakes.
It's the lunch store that I've been frequenting all too much, I'm told, that makes great cupcakes, and I thought a little treat for the family would be good to...
Oh, thank you, Scott. They're absolutely lovely.
Also got a bit of a diverse background in terms of whilst you're in Canberra, you well, maybe you tell your story about what qualifications you have.
Yeah, so when I was 16 years old, I moved from Queanbeyan into a new job as a mechanic. It was my dad's profession most of his life. It was where I kind of got my inspiration for wanting to do something a bit more hands-on. So that's what I chose.
Yeah. And so did that for a little bit and then decided a bit of a change. What happened there?
I did it for 6.5 years. And in between that, I had my first 2 children, my twins. And it was a bit rough having 2 little kids and working 6 days a week. So I finished up and spent a bit more time with them at home.
So you moved into Kia sales. That's when we opened up in March. Enjoying that?
I love Kia so much.
It's funny, my office, as you know, for the viewers, is in the Kia showroom at the moment, and I can actually hear every word that you speak over the phone. You're quite a loud voice, and
I do.
and your passion and communication skills with your customers is second to none, and you can hear it like from 100 meters away. It's great.
Like Josh said all those months ago, you'll hear me before you see me.
That's right. Yeah, little pocket rocket. So what are you liking about car sales? What's the thing that most attracts you to it?
Well, I mean, realistically, when I first started my mechanical apprenticeship, it's very different. You're not as customer focused. You're kind of in your own world, doing your own thing.
Yeah.
But I knew that I didn't want to get out of the automotive industry. So I thought, where can I go in this where I can be a little bit more customer focused and something that I still enjoy? So I thought car sales would be perfect.
What's your favourite food apart from the cupcakes which are now on your table?
Absolute favourite food besides these cupcakes, obviously, is roast. Oh, hey, buddy.
What we got now?
Same guy as before.
Oh, I can't. You saw just driving talk. Just like being on the phone. Sorry, what was your favourite food? I missed
So
it.
I like roast, like roast lamb, roast pork, roast beef.
Yeah. Do you do the cooking of the roasts?
Of course.
And is there? So when you say lamb, your favourite one, beef, pork, chicken, which one?
Chicken's probably my favourite out of all of them.
How do you prep it?
Oh, this is a little insider secret, Scott. I don't know if I want to reveal the secret.
No, I won't tell anyone.
Really, one of the biggest things with chicken is if you've got a big enough oven, you actually get like half a can of beer, put heaps of herbs and stuff in it, and sit the chicken over the top when you cook it in. Yeah.
How long do you cook it for?
Well, it's technically 30 minutes per 500 grams, but I know when it's ready.
Yeah, you gotta watch it, see it, smell it.
That's it. Funny enough, my mum is a chef.
You what? Sorry, your mum's a chef?
My mum, she's a chef.
Is that how she cooks her chickens?
I mean, I guess. I don't know. Taught me a lot of those interesting facts about cooking that you wouldn't know. Like, I could not poach an egg to save my life about, 5 years ago. Now I can.
Raising twin boys would be fun. So nursing, sleeping, you get pretty strong arms, I guess, carrying both. How was that?
That's right. That's it. So when my husband and I found out we were having twins, I didn't believe it. I was like, no way. So we have no twins in any side of the family. So that was a big shock for everyone. And when they came along, they were a little bit early, so they spent a bit of time in the neonatal ward. But when they did come home, my husband and I pretty much on a roster every 3 hours, we'd take turns.
What a trooper.
Yeah. I don't know how we're both not great, but we made it.
And they're good.
Routine is the most important part about having multiples.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. What's the process then? So you've got to have like at a certain time you do this, or this is the order you do it?
It's more a time frame thing. So as long as they're sleeping the right amount of set hours, it was for us at 6 in the morning. 6 in the morning would be time to wake up, then feed straight away, then have a bath, then have a playtime, then chill out a bit more, then have a sleep on a routine every day.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Do they still do that now?
They are a bit more early risers, but they're still relatively easy to put to sleep. So they still spend a lot of time together. Sometimes they'll crawl in each other's beds. They don't like to be separate.
Yeah.
But they're still good sleepers, so I'm happy with that.
Do they ever like try and trick you to pretend they're the other brother?
I think they're a bit little for that, but 100% as time goes on, I won't be the only one they'll be tricking. It'll be their teachers. It'll be everyone.
Yeah, that's cool. Look forward to that.
Cheeky.
Well, I think we might call it quits there. That was pretty cool. Did you enjoy that?
I did. It was nice. It was fun.
It was good to hear your voice, and now I can look at the. There you are, off camera. There's Wes in the background. Hi, Wes.
Hi,
Wes. What's going on?
He'll see this video later and be like, "That's me."
Yeah. He's cool, dude. Really appreciate you taking the time. Really enjoy the cupcakes. We'll see you soon.
I will.